How to fix the connection to this site is not secure. Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if it says the connection to the site is not secure or private. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you're trying to get into any website on your browser, and you face this error, then in that case you first need to go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right of your browser, and then from here scroll down a bit until you see the settings menu. So just head over to settings. Now on the left side of your screen you'll have multiple options. You just want to head over to privacy and security, and once you land on the privacy security page, scroll down until you see security. So here you have safe browsing options, protection from dangerous websites, and other security settings. Just tap on it, and from here you will see that your safe browsing experience will be set to standard protection. Now if you scroll down, you just want to make sure that you disable this. Always use secure connections, so you just want to make sure that you disable this settings. It is for the sites that don't support secure connections, because if this is turned on, then you won't be able to get into the website that you're trying to get in. And from here you can also try to turn off this use secure DNS, and from here you can manage your V8 security as well. If you use your DNS, you can use the Cloudflare's DNS, or you can use Google's public DNS. So once that is done, you can just go back to your website and give it a refresh, and then you should be able to load your website. But if that still didn't work, then you will see the HTTPS right here. You just want to remove the S from the website, just make it HTTP and then hit enter. Then you should be able to easily load the website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.